Conditional sentences class 12 compulsory English को unit 10 मा दिएको एक्सरसाइजहरु conditional sentence का एक्सरसाइजेसहरु हुन् र त्यो गर्नु भन्दा अगाडि conditional sentence को टाइप्सहरु र त्यसको स्ट्रक्चर्सहरु जान्नु पर्ने हुन्छ। If you support me, I will or I shall get success. यसको स्ट्रक्चर if plus present plus future. If plus if you support present मा छ, I will I shall get simple future मा छ। र यो चाहिँ conditional sentence type 1 हो। If they passed the exam, they would get prize. Passed the exam simple past मा छ यहाँ if clause र main clause would get past conditional मा छ र यसको स्ट्रक्चर if plus past simple would plus infinitive हुन्छ। If he had invited me, I would have attended his birthday party. Had plus past participle भनेको past perfect मा छ if clause र would have attended भनेको perfect conditional would have plus past participle मा छ र यसको स्ट्रक्चर यसरी if plus past perfect would have plus past participle राखिएको छ। Write the following sentences using the correct form of verbs भनेर unit 10 को पेज नम्बर 84 र 85 मा एक्सरसाइज दिएको छ। If you sell your stocks now, you will not get much money for them. यहाँ sell present form मा if plus present form मा भएको हुनाले sentence conditional sentence type 1 हो यो, त्यसैले will not get यसरी simple future को form यहाँ राख्नु पर्छ। Second, a lot of people would lose job. यहाँ would plus infinitive विमान भएको कारणले यो चाहिँ if clause चाहिँ past tense मा राख्नु पर्छ simple past मा, त्यसले close down गरिएको छ। त्यस्तै C मा our country won't have to export wheat if it rains in November and February. Main clause will plus infinitive भनेको simple future मा छ, त्यसैले if clause simple present मा हुनुपर्छ। त्यसैले D क्वेशन नम्बर D मा would have saved his life. Would have saved his life भनेको would have saved his life नै हो। would का सट्टामा could, might, should आउन सक्छ। त्यसैले यो perfect conditional मा छ र if clause लाई past perfect बनाइएको छ। त्यस्तै क्वेशन नम्बर E if he hadn't been wearing helmet भनेपछि यो he hadn't been wearing भनेको past perfect continuous मा छ, त्यसैले यसको main clause लाई would have been भनेर would have plus past participle बनाइएको छ। क्वेशन नम्बर F if you follow यो simple present मा छ, त्यसैले यसको main clause लाई simple future मा राखिएको छ। I don't mind walking home as long as the weather is fine. यो as long as ले if को काम गरेको छ, यो present plus present zero condition मा छ अर्थात zero conditional अन्तर्गत पर्छ यो। The bank will sanction यो simple future मा main clause छ, त्यसैले if clause लाई simple present बनाइएको छ यहाँ provided ले if को काम गरेको छ। What would you have done if you hadn't got his job? You hadn't got past perfect मा भएको हुनाले यसलाई would have plus past participle बनाइएको हो। र नम्बर J मा if you had the choice simple past छ, त्यसैले would you live भनेर यो क्वेशनलाई क्वेशन फर्ममै राखिएको छ, would plus infinitive form को प्रयोग गरिएको छ। Change the following sentences into if sentence as in the example. यहाँ एउटा example दिएको छ र यो चाहिँ दिएको सेन्टेन्सहरुलाई if sentence मा अथवा conditional sentence मा चेन्ज गर्ने हो। The driver was talking on the phone so the accident happened. यसलाई यहाँ if clause बनाइएको छ, if sentence बनाइएको छ अथवा conditional sentence बनाइएको छ। If the driver had not been talking on the phone, the accident wouldn't have happened. यो conditional sentence type 3 बनाइएको छ, sentence को meaning loss नहुने गरी यसलाई conditional sentence बनाउने हो। There is not anyone at home because all the lights are off. If there was or there were someone at home, all the lights would not be off. यो चाहिँ कन्डिसनल सेन्टेन्स टाइप 2 बनाइएको छ। He must be an educated person because he has subscribed the Kathmandu Post. If he had not been an educated person, he would not have subscribed the Kathmandu Post. Conditional sentence type 3 बनाइएको छ। His head was not injured in the accident because he had put the helmet on. His head would have been injured in the accident if he had not put the helmet on. यसलाई पनि कन्डिसनल सेन्टेन्स टाइप 3 बनाइएको छ। यो सेन्टेन्सको मिनिङ लस नहुने गरी दिएको सेन्टेन्सहरूलाई इफ सेन्टेन्स अथवा कन्डिसनल सेन्टेन्समा चेन्ज गर्ने हो। I am sure he passed the exam because he gave a happy treat to his friends. If he hadn't passed the exam, he wouldn't have given a happy treat to his friends. कन्डिसनल सेन्टेन्स टाइप 3 बनाइएको छ। Did not take any breakfast, so you are hungry now. If you had taken some breakfast, you wouldn't have been hungry now. Conditional sentence type 3. I am sure he is a doctor because he is wearing the white gown. If he was not a doctor, he would not be wearing the white gown. Conditional sentence type 2. She is very rich, so she drives a Mercedes. If she were not rich, she would not drive a Mercedes. Conditional sentence type 2. I did not know it was only half a kilometer from my house, so I looked a ride. I booked a ride. I hadn't booked a ride if I hadn't known it was. I didn't know it was only half a kilometer from my house, so I booked a ride. I hadn't booked a ride if I had known it was only half a kilometer from my house. Conditional sentence type 3. He has hidden something in his mind, so he does not look fresh. He would have looked fresh if he had not hidden anything in his mind. Conditional sentence type 3.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.